Producers, if you're trying to sell more beats and you keep running into artists that are broke, listen to this real quick. So if this sounds familiar, whenever you're DMing back and forth with an artist and they say they want beats from you and you name the price, they seem to disappear, ghost you, and say that they'll get you next Friday, but then they never do. While we think that this is an outward problem and it's because the artist is broke and that they don't have the finances and that they aren't serious, none of that is actually true. The problem is that you don't actually have a professional personal brand. By a professional brand and a personal brand, I simply mean something that showcases your work, where it has you vibing with the beat and you actually have the high quality audio put in with a video editor. Also, make sure you have a headshot of yourself that's a clear photo of you as a picture in the bio. And you also clearly put that you're a producer and what kind of artist you're actually trying to help with your music. So once you have that brand in place and they can see the quality of your beats, whenever they message you, they're going to come correct and be more serious because we presented our brand more seriously and now they perceive us to be of higher value. That's how personal branding works, and it allows you to look expensive, charge more for your beats, and artists be more interested. Follow for more beat selling tips.